I want to show you guys my latest contraption. I actually have a little bird bath thing going on here. You can see the water cascades from the first one into the second one and the third one. And the water supply is the good old air conditioning unit. That's the condensation line. The birds drink from it here, and it was all muddy over here. And now, all that water comes out of the condensation tube, goes all the way down, and the birds go nuts. Every morning, quail, dove, finches, whatever's in the trees, comes down, has a drink. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I got a little water fountain that works with solar too, so not too bad.